spending a lot of time together with my cousins and my aunt, since their house is just a step closer to our house. People often told me when I was young that cooking runs in the blood of our family, since my aunt was always invited to cater some occasions that time. I remember watching her chopping onions, peeling carrots, and preparing other ingredients to be used in her masterpiece. You would think that I would have known all along that the food industry would be the right career for me. But you would be wrong. Like many college students who are not sure of what to be when they grow up, it took me few years to realize which road to follow. Bago ako pumasok sa college, nagtrabaho muna ako sa ilang fast food at restaurant dito sa syudad. Siyempre pa, as expected, hindi ganon kaganda ang naging position ko at katas ang naging sahod ko. But those jobs taught me to do what I love, which is to work with food and with people. As a result, I saw that the road was leading me bit by bit to the hospitality industry. Ngayon, pangarap kong makapagtayo kahit isang maliit na restaurant lamang. Isang lugar na kung saan mayroong iba't ibang uri ng pagkain. And my education will open my door to make this dream a reality. Fellow graduates, it's not always easy to read what is in your heart, but it's of the uttermost importance to make an effort and pursue the direction it may take you. Following our dreams has led us to this moment. We had tremendous amount of support from our faculty staff and administrators. They reached out to us and gave us the tools necessary to make our dreams come true. They serve as our compass and map to reach our destination in life. They demonstrated high academic standards and challenged us in the classroom. They enrooted us the importance of upholding strong values while enriching our education and teaching us how to be leaders in our studies, in our professions, and in our lives. Fellow graduates, because of their dedication, constant encouragement, and endless support, we are steps closer to achieving our dreams. Let's give them a round of applause for making today possible. Siguro kung hindi dahil sa sipag at tiyaga ng ating mga guro, hindi tayo makakalabas sa eskwelang ito na may taas noo at masasabing, ako ay produkto ng Systems Plus. Kaya ko. Kaya mga minamahal kong guro, maraming salamat po. Fellow graduates, huwag sana natin kalilimutan ang mga taong pinakamahalaga sa ating buhay. Kundi siguro dahil sa suporta, pag-ibig ng ating pamilya at mga kaibigan, wala rin tayo ngayon dito. Ma, lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa suporta, payo at tiwala na mararating ko ang nais ko sa buhay. Alam ko na gusto mo akong suportahan sa aking pinansyal na pangangailangan. Pero dahil na rin sa edad mo, hindi mo na yan mailalaan. Ang pagluluto at paghahanda ng aking damit sa araw-araw. At lalo na ang pagmamalaki na isa ako sa mga anak mo, ay sapat na para tumayo dito sa harap ngayon. At pasalamatan ka bilang isang mabuting ina at kaibigan ko. At this moment, I would also like to show my appreciation to the faculty members of the Hospitality Department. You have exposed us to different levels of competitiveness. From helping us and guiding us on our OJTs, preparing us for the competencies exams, and trusting us to hold and organize some events. These help us to be prepared for bigger tests. You have all shared your wisdom and knowledge as hospitality professionals, role models, and mentors. Also, you taught us the most valuable lesson in our education, in our lives. Ma'am, sir, takal pong salamat. However, despite your kindness that you have shown us, we know we failed you and disappointed you at times. Maraming beses namin kayo nabigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Problema dahil sa mga naikilos at nagawa namin. Minsan nga, may muntik pang sumuko at umiyak dahil sa katigasan ng ulo namin. Ma'am, sir, sa lahat po na nagawa namin, sorry po. Alam namin na ang pagiging isang guro ay hindi madaling trabaho. Pero naramdaman namin na kayo ay gustong gawin ng lahat para kami ay matuto at maging edukadong tao. We don't want to say goodbye yet. Because we believe someday, somehow, our path will cross again. And if that time comes, we will be happy to reminisce and remember the time that once we had. Thank you very much, ma'am, sir. My fellow graduates, look around you. Take a moment to acknowledge the extraordinary people in your lives who are sitting here today. Ito na yung pagkakataon para may pakita natin sa kanila na ang kanilang nagawa sa atin ay sulit na sulit habang hinahawakan natin ang ating mga diploma na tayo nagtapos sa Systems Plus. Most of us were fortunate to have some sort of effort along the way. But we have also worked very hard to reach this milestone. Many of us took on multiple jobs to be able to enter college, just like what I did. The past few years have been exhausting, but today is a day to look back on our past achievements and take a well-deserved rest. We are graduating today. Our futures are awaiting us. Do not wait too long to get started again. Take what you have learned and discover new roads in life. The path will win, take sharp turns, veer in different directions, and at times seems unpaved and unbearable. Remember, this is our journey and our road, our goals and our vision. Our dreams will pave the way to success as long as we take risks, overcome our fears, and challenge ourselves. As I stand here before you, I can say with confidence that today proves we have gained wisdom and knowledge to fulfill what our hearts desire. Let us carry a quote by a famous writer and novelist, Mitch Albom. No life is a waste. The only time we waste is the time thinking we are alone. My friend, never lose hope. Never stop dreaming. Our friends and families are right beside us. Have patience and passion until you reach the top. My fellow graduates, I would like to congratulate all of you on your outstanding achievements today. Throughout all our hard work and struggles, we have become stronger and more courageous than once we were. When you take your next step in life, consider your strong passion, because your passion leads you to the right way. Have faith, have courage. Graduating class of 2013, put your best foot forward, live your life, and be strong. Once again, congratulations to all of us, and good afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Samir Garcia, and congratulations for rising on top. At this point, may I invite once again the SPCF Chorale to serenade and inspire with their magnificent voices to our graduates and parents who believe in the SPCian education.
Graduates, please rise. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name, having been inducted as member of the Systems Plus College Foundation Alumni Association, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by its noble traditions, principles, and practices, that I will contribute towards the attainment of its noble objectives, that I will serve for the best interest of the association and the community it serves without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help us God.
Thank you, Ms. Rebecca Mundia. To our graduates who are now official members of the SPCF Alumni Association Incorporated, now that you have formally received your confirmation of excellence in the academic field and had been inducted to the Alumni Association, it is just to pay due respect to our alma mater that you have molded, guided, and taught you to become what you are now. This day will definitely mark the start of a new journey, a new view of life, a new beginning. At this juncture, to add significance of this occasion, the graduates will now render their graduation song entitled "The End is the Beginning."
Spread all around, let the sun show beneath tears in your eyes. The waves to be done, no words to be said. So all of us know that it is never the